Hey y'all, Irix guy here, selling through St. John and U.S. Virgin Islands today. Over here at Hawks Nest Bay, one of the best beaches, and just having a good time. But this is a horology video, so what I want to talk about is I'm going to come up here, the Submariner 114060 with ceramic bezel. Of course, there's no date. It's just a very simple dive watch, but it's an iconic watch, and it's something that a lot of people, and I like Omega, I like Breitling, I like JJ LeCoultre, but the Rolex is inevitably, it's one of the most recognizable pieces in the world, and this is quite possibly the most iconic wristwatch in the world. Something that shouldn't go out of style. It's 40 millimeter, not too big, not too small. The ceramic bezel is good from my perspective because it shouldn't shatter, and it shouldn't discolor, and it shouldn't scratch. And that's something with the older models where you did have ceramic, they tend to fade with time. Now a lot of people like that because it adds patina to the piece, and I agree, because my Omega Seamaster 300M with the blue wave dial, the blue on it kind of lightened up, and I get a lot of compliments on it. They're like, man, I like that dial color. And I'm like, yeah, I've had it for for over 10 years, probably closer to 15 years now. So I mean, that's one thing you wouldn't get with the ceramic that you would get with the old style. But what you also get, and this is something that I've noticed after I purchased this piece in Cayman, is that the bracelet's a lot better, because you've got solid links. A lot of the older style bracelets were not solid links. And then also the glide lock clasp, where you can make micro adjustments on the fly. If you're putting it over a wetsuit, maybe it's hot weather, maybe it's cold weather, and you want to adjust it without having to bust out a screwdriver and adjust the bracelet sizing. Just a really good piece. And I mean, when I decided I was going to sell through the USVI, I had to figure out, well, what's the perfect watch to wear. And of course, I wasn't going to wear the Master Control because it's not a dive watch, and I wasn't going to wear the Breitling Super Avenger because it does have stated water resistance, but it's leaked. And I'm not saying that in a negative way. I'll just remember never to use that piece in the water again, because I'd send it back to Breitling USA. Or I could have worn the Omega Seamaster 300M, but just something about it. I like the 114060. No date, none of that Cyclops stuff sticking out. Just a very classic timepiece that you can wear anywhere. You can wear in the ocean, you can wear it at dinner, you can wear it to play golf, you can wear it when you sleep, you can wear it in the shower, hot tub, whatever you want to do. And that's what makes it so good. So if you're looking for the perfect dive watch, in my opinion, I would go at this day, and things could change, but on this day right now, I would go with the Submariner reference 114060, because it's just a really nice piece, and it's a piece that you can wear anywhere and people are going to respect you. And if they don't, they think you're just one of those guys, because that's the stigma that this watch also has, is that people think that if they get a Submariner, oh, they're the king of the world, and they're really not. It's just a cool, iconic piece that will likely continue to go up in value. So if you're in it for the right reasons, and you like to lead an active lifestyle, but have a piece that promotes you in a positive way, then that's what I would go with. And there's a lot of other dive pieces that are more expensive, but they're not as durable. I mean, this stainless steel that this bracelet's made out of is incredible, in the case and the bezel, and just a very distinguished looking watch. But with that said, I do want to check out the Breitling Heritage Super Ocean, because that's an intriguing piece. I don't like the 46 millimeter, but the 42 is quite nice, especially with the white dial or the blue dial. So thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. YouTube.com/Irix guy, and enjoy all of my horology videos. I'm going to get out of here, and I hope y'all's weather's as good as mine. See you later.